Hello friends! So here's how we can create a survey in order to collect information from an audience. First, you need to log into your account on Office 365, and then over here you have forms. You click on forms. It will open a new tab and it starts with this message if you haven't done it before, and then you start right here with create a new form. First, you give it a title. For example, in the description you can write down a message to the audience. How do you know that if it's anonymous or not? From here, from the settings, when you go to settings right here, you can work on these settings in order to make it anonymous or not. So who can fill out this form? I will make it anyone with the link can respond. And you can customize a thank you message. For example, your response was submitted. So now, since I wrote over here, I can add a picture from here if I want. I can search for something from the internet, or I can go from OneDrive or upload. Now, you want to start with your first question. So you will start by add a new, and you choose which type of question you want to add. So first I'm going to say a choice. How old are you? Going to add. If I want to make it require the question, I tick over here. If I want my audience to choose multiple answers, I can tick this one. So I will make it required, and if I want to collect about the age range, which will help me maybe later on in the analysis. Now I'm going to choose a different question. For example, make a question with a simple answer over here where people will type their answer. Let's say that I am done with my survey and I already set it up and I'm done. I can preview it from here. So this is my survey. It looks like that. As a mobile device, it will look like that. I can go back, and if I want to check the responses for later on, if someone sent me something, if someone filled it out, I can open an Excel sheet and I will be previewing them from here. Now I will choose a theme for my survey. I will make it this one, for example, so it will give me a background and my survey is ready. Now let's share. If I want to share, I will click right here. Anyone with the link, if anyone needs to fill it out, or maybe only people in your organization, you choose and then you copy the link.